Welcome to Northstar Kia, your most trusted new and pre-owned automotive dealership located at 46-05 Northern Boulevard, Queens. This used 2020 Kia Sportage Ex in Pacific Blue, with 23,000 miles, offers reliable performance and strong safety features. Kia vehicles are known for their dependability, and the Sportage EX is no exception. With its low mileage, it indicates a well-maintained vehicle. The Sportage EX also incorporates advanced safety technologies, including a suite of driver assistance features. Overall, this Sportage EX provides both reliability and peace of mind on the road. Come by Northstar and enjoy a relaxed test drive experience. Our friendly staff is here to assist you in finding the perfect vehicle that suits you. Unlocking possibilities, delivering quality, only at Northstar Kia, your premier destination for new and used cars.